We are here to learn AWS, correct? Okay, now, what is this? Expectations, which is the dangerous word, correct? Yes or no? Which is the dangerous word. Now tell me, Chiti, tell me, Nana, definitely you came till here to join my classes, correct? So definitely I really appreciate and I really congratulate that you took time to join these classes because you already know, you already have some expectations, correct? I want to know what are those expectations from you, from my or from my course. What are your expectations? No problem. Tell anything. See, don't, you should not sit quiet. Tell anything. Okay. Okay. So to become cloud engineer, Munaf, very good. Okay. So to learn AWS. Yes. What are your expectations? Clearing every single doubt. Very good. Yes, Pankaj, correct. Cracking interview, master in AWS to get AWS certification. Ah, tell me, what are your expectations? To get job, to gain AWS knowledge, to become infrastructure architecture. Nice. Uh-huh. Wanted to know AWS in depth. Very good. Okay, more. Bolo. Bolo Raja, kya chahiye? Tell me. So, what are your expectations? Tell me. Yes, of course. This course has a lot of hands-on and practicals. Chidi, without practicals, there is no AWS. So we have to do a lot of practicals. So definitely we'll be doing lots of hands-on. But I will give the equal importance. I'll give the equal importance to the logic and theory also. Because without logic and theory, is it possible to do the hands-on? No. So the thing is here, I can see in the many people directly they'll go directly to the hands-on, which is really, it's not good because without having a proper knowledge, basic knowledge, and then theory logics, you cannot do the practicals. If you do also, it's useless. For that reason, I will be slowly taking you to clear the basics, to clear the grounds, and slowly, slowly we'll be going to the theory, logics, and then practicals. Definitely. Yes. Good. So, guys, I cannot stop saying this joke every time. Like this, in every batch, I used to ask, tell me what are your expectations and what are expectations. I was asking many times. So, everyone's saying the same thing like you. And all of a sudden, in offline, someone says that, sir, yes, Babu, tell me. And he said that I want to get married. Array, how it is related to AWS? What is that expectations? Right? So, guys, online people, you can put smiley symbol also. I don't mind. Okay. So, if I see you smile, I will get more energetic. Okay. Okay. So, the thing is, I'll ask, say, Babu, tell me the logic. Why did you guys? I'm looking like a marriage mediator. So, he said, like, no, sir, I learn AWS from you. Yeah. After that, what will happen? I'll get a job. Okay. After that, marriage. So, indirectly, marriage only, my expectations. Intelligent fellow, right? So it's good. That's also good, right? So that's also really good. That's also really good. So yes, whatever the expectations that, but I'm not guaranteeing about your marriage. But the thing is, so to get you the AWS knowledge, so definitely I'll be guaranteeing that you will be learning a lot from me. And also, similarly, like you, I have completed so many batches, correct? So like this, in Google, so the previous students those who have learned from me, they shared a nice, not one, two people, hundreds of people share the feedbacks. So where you can find it, just put AWS Riyasar. Okay, AWS by Riyasar. Do you see that already there? So do you see this here? AWS by Mr. Riyaz. So it is my Facebook page. Just Nana, when you have time, just go through this and read a few things. That's it. So how we will be going it and what are the feedbacks that the previous students has given, so that you will get the confidence that how I teach and how I continue this course for you guys. Okay. So I'm just giving you online, guys. So when you have time, just read a couple of comments. I have so many comments are there, but I don't want to go with everything. So just if you want to know more about me, that is the thing. Okay. Excellent. Super. Okay, Nana. So the expectations that you are talking about is perfect. So we are here to learn AWS, and some people are asking, sir, we need deep knowledge on AWS. Perfect. Someone is saying, sir, we need to create certifications. We will be talking about the certifications also, right? And then also, some people say that, sir, we need more knowledge, AWS certifications, hands-on. Everything will be covered inside this class. Okay, Nana? Super. So now let's talk about course outline. So guys, this is the course outline, but this is not restricted to only these topics. We have so many topics other than this slide, because I don't have space to include so many services here. Do you all agree AWS is group of services? At least you know about, right? So if you don't, guys, and also don't worry about anything else. There is no prerequisites required here. Many people say, sir, do I need to learn that? Do I need to learn this before learning AWS? Nothing, Nana. If you just from zero, I'll make you hero on AWS. Okay. Girls, you can convert that, huh? From zero to heroine. Huh? Okay, whatever. Right. So, but the thing is, Nana, but the thing is here, I always say this to the new people: give me a chance and take a chance. I'll kick this AWS in your brains. Pakka. Underline these words. And I'll be asking the same question at the end of the course. If someone out of 200 people, if someone says that, sir, I didn't got this, then we'll talk at the time. Because I have been conducting so many batches, right? So you just go ahead and then read the feedbacks in the Facebook. You will understand how I teach. Okay. So let's not talk about more about me now. It's enough. Okay. So all right. So Nana, course outline meaning, as I said already before to you, I will be starting everything from basics, from scratch. If you are a non-IT, don't worry. If you have a gap, don't worry. Ladies, girls, whoever it is, if you think that you want to come back to your career after 10 years, don't worry. Right? And then experienced people, you want to enhance your career, yes, you are at the right place. You no need to have any prerequisites to learn AWS. Whatever is required, I'll be sharing everything to you. Okay, Nana? So come here with plain empty mind, relax, come empty mind, relax, and then I'll slowly pushing AWS in your brains. Deal? Yes? Louder. Avadashi, super. Hariharan, I'll talk about that. I'll talk about all these things, okay, soon. So Nana, here, see, I have written here client server architecture, network basis, virtualization, cloud computing, AWS, high availability. So I should not talk about all these things, because these are all things that we'll be learning our entire course. I'm telling you again and again, not only these services, I have even more other services also we will be learning. Okay. Super. Now, there is this thing here. What is this? Sir, sir, you showed so many things, sir. What is this? EC2, Beanstalk, Lightsail, Lambda, Global Accelerator. What is all these things, sir? I cannot even pronounce properly. My tongue is not proper, twisting. Huh? So guys, do not worry about all these things. Riya sir is here. Don't fear. Okay? Super. So, and why many people are asking here, why AWS cloud is best career decision? I always say this, guys, I congratulate each and every one of you, and I appreciate each and every one of you here, offline and online, everyone, that you already took a step for the success by learning this AWS. I'll tell you now why AWS is number one in the market. Let's see a few statistics. So guys, now you came and joined this class because someone might have already said to you saying that, Arey Babu, go and learn AWS. Yes or no? Someone say that, experienced people say that, learn AWS, there are so many job opportunities. Yes or no? Right? So here, let's see in real time why this AWS cloud is best decision. And by the way, there are so many clouds in the market, no? There are so many clouds like AWS. What are the other clouds have you heard? Azure. Super. What is that? Azure you have heard. And also one more, Google Cloud. Google Cloud. So AWS is there. Azure is there. Google Cloud is there. There are so many, not only these three, there are so many clouds are there. But instead of all the, see, all the people are raising the hands with different clouds. But which is the one that you have chosen? AWS. Why you have chosen? Let me talk about that. So, Nana, why should we learn AWS? Many people have this common question, sir, I'm a fresher. Should I learn AWS? And there is another question, sir, I don't know coding. Can I learn AWS? Sir, I have a gap. Which is the course is best to get the job? Yes or no? We have all these questions. Everyone has all these questions. For that reason, I'm just talking about all these things today. So now, reasons to learn AWS is, Nana, have you heard that in the market that AWS is the number one in the market? Have you heard about it already? Everyone agree? Okay, experienced people, can you please back me up here? Do you all agree AWS is number one in the market online? AWS is number one in the market? Yes. So AWS is the fastest growing cloud in the world. In the world, AWS is the fastest growing cloud now. And who is the leader in the cloud computing market? Proudly you need to say, which one? AWS. And also, since 2015, every company is desperate to hire AWS people. Every company has AWS projects. Every company is using AWS. So since 2015, this is the most on-demand skills in the market. Which one? AWS. And also, have you heard about, Nana? Everyone moving to AWS, moving to the cloud. Have you heard about this word? Everyone migrating to cloud. Everyone migrating to cloud. Which cloud? AWS cloud. Why they are moving? We will learn slowly. Slowly we'll go. Aram se. Okay? One by one we'll go. So, and then AWS career pay top money. That meaning you have a very good salaries if you have AWS skills. Experienced people, you will get a lot. And also freshers, the starting salaries will start with, if you are a very good company, it depends, 5, 6, 7, it's up to you. It's a normal company, 3, 4, so it will start from 4. So, but the thing is here, many people says that, sir, I'm a fresher, can I learn AWS? No, I'm just giving one example. One example, I mean, assume that you are a fresher and you have already learned AWS from me. So you are a hero in AWS. Now you join some company. You join some company. Yes, correct. So you join some company. Inside that, there are so many other freshers are there, and also your team leaders, everyone are there. And fortunately, you have been into AWS project. And just assume, no one knows about the AWS there. As a fresher, you know AWS very well inside that team. And how do they see you? They don't consider you as a fresher. They'll put a very big garland on you and they'll do puja for you. That meaning you have such a demand. If you learn as a fresher, if you learn AWS, you have lots of opportunities in the market. Let me give an example. Again, one more example. Nana, there are 4 freshers are there. I'm interviewing these 4 freshers. And out of 4 freshers, 2 people are AWS trained and 2 people doesn't know anything. They're just freshers, passed out. So now they're very good. All these 4 people are very good. Now tell me as an interviewer to whom I need to select. Whom I will select? Tell me. The 2 people, those who already learn AWS. You are not an interviewer, but you are also having this thought that you need to select AWS trained people. Why? Because they already have the knowledge. I can directly put them into the project. Do I need to train them again? So do you understand all the freshers why you need to learn AWS? Experienced people, there is no option for you. You have to learn AWS because for experience, cloud is must and the cloud is feature. So, okay, now, and one more thing. Let's say, which is your favorite restaurant? Which is your favorite restaurant? You don't go to restaurants, huh? Okay, let's say, for example, Bawarchi. Pista House, Paradise. Oh, you are reminding me so many things today. So, okay. So now, so there is a, let's say, for example, Pista House. For example, Pista House. Let's say Pista House is #1 restaurant for biryani in the Hyderabad. Is #1 in the market. As he is #1 in the market, will he give it for free? Tell me. Will he give it for free, Nana? Will he give biryani free? Even though he is #1 in the market, he will not give it for free. But AWS is #1 in the market and he's giving you 1 year free tier. How many years? 1 year free tier he's giving. Using that 1 year free tier, we will be doing lots of hands-on for free. So we will be utilizing that we will be utilizing that 1 year free trial, and then we'll be doing lots of practicals inside this, which is completely free. Does any other cloud provider is giving for free? No one. See the power of AWS, right? Okay, so now, and I'll talk about the certification soon, right? Okay, I'll talk about the certification soon. Okay, now, reasons to learn AWS. Few more reasons. Nana, have you heard about? Okay, this is a very bad question. No, you know Netflix. Everyone knows Netflix, no? Who don't know, sir? Lot of web series. Huh? So everyone knows not web series. Netflix. Everyone knows Netflix. Okay, let me give a small example here. Chitty, let me give a small example. So Netflix is where you have so many videos, movies, and everything. Correct? All these videos, movies, etc., everything is stored where in the backend? On the servers only, no? Don't worry. What is the server? We'll talk about later. But now, for now, just assume server is just a box. Just a box. Okay, assume Netflix at the starting phase of his Netflix, he thought to have Netflix company and Netflix website where he has set up, let's say, 4 servers. How many servers? Only how many servers? 4 servers, Nana. So he has set up his application in these 4 hours and he put, hey, I am Netflix, please access. And everyone started accessing it. 50 people started accessing. 100 people started accessing. 200, 500, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. These 4 dabbas are sufficient. These 4 servers are sufficient. No. What the Netflix guy should do? He need to increase the number of servers. He need to increase the number of servers. Yes or no? 4 servers are not sufficient. What he need to increase? 4, it has become 10, 20, 30, 50, 100. And number of users are also increasing. 2,000, 3,000, 5,000, 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, 50,000. And his number of servers is also increasing. 200, 300, 500, 1,000, 10,000. Babu, how many servers will he increase? How much population we have? Correct? Now everyone in the world is using Netflix, no? including 10th class people, 10th class student also. Yes or no? Everyone is using. I mean, millions, billions of people are using, not only in India, throughout the world. So this 10,000 servers for Netflix is sufficient. So he need to keep on increasing. He need to keep on increasing. As he cannot say that, he said that, Babu, I'm done. Netflix said that, he hands up. Hands up, I'm done. I cannot increase the number of servers, no money. So at that time, our AWS took the Netflix project and he started handling it. Once he started handling it, who is the number one in the video streaming? Netflix is number one. Who is the backend? AWS. Who is giving the support in the backend? AWS. Your Netflix is in AWS. Not only Netflix, very big website. Even NASA is using NASA is also using AWS, and most of the big companies, big government organizations, every company is using AWS. Guys, AWS is used by such a big companies. Are you not ready to learn AWS? Yes or no? Not even now. If you miss now also, later in coming futures, definitely you need to learn AWS. Instead of going and learning later, why can't you learn as you found Riyaz sir? Right? Yes or no? Super. So, and also, guys, and also, your jobs are super secure. Nana, see, out of 100 people, there are so many Java developers. Java developers mean this, Java developers, right? So many developers are there. Yes or no? And the good thing is here, our AWS, whatever the course that we are learning, doesn't require any coding. No coding. No coding. And that too, AWS is number one. We can do the coding also for automation, but for to learn all the AWS core concepts, you don't need to know any kind of coding. So everyone is learning Java, Python, everything, right? But you have to learn, and also these developers, Java developers, Python developers, .NET developers, even the developers are also learning AWS. As a fresher, you need to learn AWS. As a developer, you need to learn AWS, right? So even the HR people are also learning AWS. You know that? So Nana, AWS is everywhere. You have to learn AWS. Doesn't matter you are a developer, doesn't matter you are whoever you are. If you want to work in IT industry, you have to know AWS cloud. Make sense? So, and also AWS is not as complicated as you think. Everyone have this question. Sir, Amma, AWS. Everyone are learning AWS. Can I learn AWS? Can I learn AWS? Okay, in your childhood, everyone have this maths phobia, correct? Yes or no? Everyone has the math phobia, but few people love math. Yes or no? So guys, if you had a right teacher on math, where he can give very good, easy method of doing the math, do you love the math or not? Yes. Similarly, guys, if you find a right trainer on AWS, if you find a right boom trainer, if you find a right trainer on AWS, AWS is Jujube. It's very simple. And I completely 100% say you are on the right place with the right trainer. Okay? Super. And then, no, as I said that no prior experience is necessary, not required. So many people have said, do I need to learn that, this and all? Nothing is required, Nana. After learning AWS, you can go for the next level of that. I'll tell what is your career path. I'll tell about all these things. But first you have to learn what? AWS. So have you heard about DevOps? Have you heard about Python? Yes. So you need to learn all these things. This will be your path. But in order to, you cannot go to DevOps first. First, you need to learn AWS. Then you need to go for DevOps. So the first step is AWS cloud. Super. And cloud technology is in the past also, in the present also, in the future also. It is everything is cloud. Cloud, 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 everywhere cloud. Okay. Nana, is this clear till here, everyone? Chiti, clear? You're getting it? Not required, Joseph. So people are asking, sir, is Python required or is Java required? Is .NET required? Do you require all these things, all these programming skills in order to learn AWS? Not required, but for doing automations, it required. But now, for whatever the course that we are learning here is not required. But I'll be giving you the developer topics also. We learn. It's a pack. It's a pack. So just believe me, trust me, we'll do it. Okay. So now, do you see this here? So this is the Gartner Magic Quadrant. What is this called? Gartner Magic. It's a survey where, do you see who is the leader in the top? Who is the leader in the top? Followed by Google. So the top, the leader, who is the leader in the cloud computing market? AWS. It is not me or someone saying, it is the market is saying. So will you learn the cloud technology which is number 1 in the market, or number 2 in the market, or number 3? Which one? Number 1. Which is number 1? Make sense? So I'm just giving you the proofs. Okay. So, and also let me give in, let me give one small example here again. So what is your name? Mahesh. Mahesh. Okay. So let's say, for example, we have our friend Mahesh. So guys, we have a Mahesh here. Mahesh, he said that, sir, I want to set up one application in, I have one application. Can you please put somewhere and I want to access it? I have a website. Mahesh has a website. And he said that, sir, I want to access this website. Can you please put somewhere? And when he saw this, IBM, guys, this picture was in 2015, the old one. IBM was down for 17 hours. How many hours? So is it good that if I put application there in IBM? Are you okay if your website is down for 17 hours? Yes or no? If your website will be down for 17 hours, is that okay for you? Online. Guys, I have one eye on the chat, so keep on putting the message. Yes or no? So definitely no. Okay, so next, coming to the Google Cloud. Google Cloud was down for 11 hours. Is that okay to put your website there? Is it okay if your website is down for 11 hours? Nana? No. And how about Azure? It is down for 10 hours. And how about our baby? AWS. So AWS was down for only 2 hours. That too where? When? In 2015. Since then, AWS was never down. So which is the kind of cloud provider will you select? You will be selecting where it has a no downtime. What is downtime? Downtime meaning which is not, the service is not available for you. So which one will you select out of all these things? AWS. You're getting it? And excellent, Prashant. Yes. And also, do you see this here? This is the latest last year, Q1 market. This is called, market share. Do you see on the top? Which one is the highest market share? AWS. So it is not me or someone saying, it is market, it's saying, which is the number 1 in the market? AWS only. So this is the same thing. So, and also in India, especially in Hyderabad, guys, especially in Hyderabad, I think it is AWS is investing hundreds of billions of money. He's investing in Hyderabad, especially. So you'll get a lot of opportunities on AWS. So market is ready. Are you ready? Are you ready? Yes. So you should be also ready to grab the market. So market is getting ready to get off to having to have lots of AWS job, and you also should be ready by learning the AWS. Okay, so now whatever we have learned here, it's really good. Okay, now build your career using certification. Have you heard about certification? Have you heard about certification? AWS certification. Okay, now why you tell me, Nana, Chiti, you tell me certification is important, is mandatory or not mandatory to get a job? Certification is mandatory or not mandatory? Okay, let me give you a real-time example. Myself, Mahesh, we went for interview. Which one? We went for interview. So now, see here, we both went for interview. Assume Mahesh is certified. Assume I am not certified. So now we both are very good in technical, and you are the interviewer. Now you tell me, we both are very good in technical. We both are, now we are tie up. Both are same. Now you tell me, who will be hire? Who you will hire? Is it Mahesh or Riaz? Who will you will hire? Mahesh. Why? Because he is having the certification. See, Nana, because the company people, guys, what they do is, those who have already AWS trained or certified, they are highly recommended. They are highly recommended because, do I need to train Mahesh again on AWS? So can I directly put him into the project? Yes, because he's AWS certified. He know what is AWS. He know what are the things in AWS. He has done practicals. Then only he has passed the certification. No. For that reason, I would say AWS certification is not mandatory, but it's highly recommended. It's highly recommended. So you will get a good preference. You are preferred for the job. So, Nana, anyways, we are learning this AWS. So the course duration will be 55 to 60 days. How many days? 55 to 60 days. We'll go slowly, aramse we'll go. Okay, 55 to 60 days we'll be learning it. And so in this course, I'll be teaching you certification questions. I'll be giving you interview questions, right? I'll be giving lots of hands-on. I'll be giving you the logics. I'll be teaching how to troubleshoot the environments. Everything, it's a mix-up. Everything is a pack. It's a bundle. So anyways, I'll be making you ready to be super in AWS. No, and why can't you clear the certification? Easily you can clear the certification. And don't worry, at the end of the course, I'll be giving you some practice papers also. You just do the practice papers and then clear the certification. And the certification is valid for how many years, sir? 3 years. How many years? You learn it, you learn from me, you clear it, and then it will be valid for 3 years. You can play with it like anything. You get it? Excellent. So, guys, in your resume, in your resume, if you put these 3 magical words, what are the 3 magical words? AWS. If you put these 3 magical words, you will get the calls and you are preferred. Everyone is looking for AWS engineers. Just to, when you have time, just to go to LinkedIn, Monster, Naukri, anywhere, job portals, just to type AWS cloud engineers. You only see how many opportunities are there. There are a lot. Let me ask experienced people online. Can you please back me up again? So do we have good opportunities on AWS? Let us hear so that the other people can also get confidence. Yes or no? See, a lot. Okay, cool. And also, if you learn AWS, you can do side business. Okay. So There are, that meaning you can do a freelancing jobs also. I should not talk about that, but Sarah, you can do the freelancing job. So if you just go to Google and just type AWS freelancing jobs, so they will be giving some task. You complete that task and you will get. Okay. So, so, and also I would strongly recommend that, guys, in your pocket, keep this AWS technology in your hands. Keep first, don't think about the next things. Do I get the job or not? So can I get the good package or not? Can I get in Bangalore or Chennai? That is secondary. First, you have to be ready with the technology in your hands. If you have the technology in your hands, later you can play like anything. If you're not stepped to learn the AWS and thinking that do I get a job or not, are bhai, first siko, chadukondi mundara. Chadukondi first. Meaning, learn first, study first, right? Then you will get it automatically. Okay. Yes, Arjun, correct. So, Nana, if you have the certification, you have better chances of getting shortlisted. Okay. And are you interested now to know what are the certifications we have in AWS? Yes. Let's see what are the certifications we have in AWS quickly. Nana, see here. Be with me. Okay. See, these are the AWS certifications we have. There are 3 levels. How many levels are there, Nana? Chitty. 3 levels are there. How many levels? 3 levels. One is foundational level, associate level, professional level. What are those 3 things? Foundational, associate, professional. One more time. Foundational, associate, professional. So this foundational is Jujube. That meaning very simple. So you cannot you cannot go to interview saying that, hey, I'm cloud practitioner, foundational certified. And he'll say that, Babu, go and play that side. Go. So foundational is very basic certification. Do we aim for that foundational certification? Let's aim for the big fish, right? So the next level is associate. Which one? Associate. So we will be aiming this associate, and professional also not required, because professional meaning those who are having high experience, let's say 8, 9, 10, more than 10 years of experience they have. So they will be, for them, they will be asking professional certification. But for all of us, which level is required? Associate. Which level, Nana? Everyone. Online, say that. Which one? Associate level. Okay, now let's talk about what are these in associate level. Now in associate level, we have 3 roles. How many roles are there? 3 roles. Number 1, we call it as architect role. Architect certificate, solution architect. Number 2, operations. Number 3, developer. Now what are the three roles we have? Architect, operations, developer. One more time. Architect, operations, developer. So now we have 3 certifications here. And now your question is, sir, out of these 3 certifications, which one we are learning here, and which one we need to complete? Correct? That is the next question. Now let me give a small zoom. Ooh. Okay. Do you see this here? Now solution architect, SysOp, administrator, and developer. Okay, Nana, now you tell me. Within half. Sarita, half. If you complete half, then we can. So let's assume you want to construct a new nice dream house. You want to construct your nice dream house. Nana, you want to construct your nice dream house. So I gave the same example. See, you want to construct a dream house. What, to whom you will reach first? To whom you will reach first if you want to construct a house? Loan, bank loan. Ah. Okay. So we'll go with the architect, correct? So we'll go with the architect. What the architect will do? Architect will give a nice blueprint, correct? He'll give a nice print. He'll say that, Babu, this is the bedroom, this is the hall, this is the kitchen room, this is the balcony and everything. He'll give the nice plan, correct? Yes or no? He'll give the nice plan. Now, once the building, everything is constructed, these developers, what they do is, he or she, with the laptop, she'll go inside or he'll go and she go here and she go to the bedroom and aram se she'll lie down and then you open the laptop, Java, Bava code. She'll write coding. So now tell me, developers, if you are here in the class, are you worried about the rest of the world other than your code? Yes or no? Tell me frankly, yes or no? See, clearly we are getting the answers, no. So they just concentrate on their only code, nothing else. Just in case if they got some problem, they'll start shouting, hey, can someone help me? And who is the guy who will come? Administrator will come. Administrator will come and say that, hey, what's the problem? And the developer will say, I have this problem. And then the admin will help. Now the problem is, developer also don't know, admin also don't know. These two people whom they will call? Architect. Whom they will call? Architect. Because do you all agree architect knows everything? Because he is the one who architect the entire building. So now you tell me which one we should concentrate on. Solution architect, administrator, developer. Which one? Solution architect. As you rightly said, we will be concentrating on the solution architect in our course, which is 99% all the companies will ask for solution architect only. Because if you are a solution architect guy, company employer will know that you know a lot. And the very good thing about this course is, my course is, once you complete this, can please close the door if you don't mind. Okay. So, once you see, once you I was telling something, what was that? Yes, sorry. So once you complete this course on solution architect, the good thing here is 70% of administration, 70% of developer will also be covered in this course. So it's a pack. It's a pack of all. So first, mainly we'll concentrate on solution architect, which every company will ask for. And also parallelly, we'll be seeing few services on administrator and we'll be seeing few services on the developer side also. Got it, Nana? So my students, Riya's sir students, basically, you can do solution architect. Once you complete, you can do easily CSOP and developer also. Guys, you can, let's concentrate on fun. Which one? Solution architect. So can you do also CSOP? Can you also do developer? Yes. I'll give you one classic example which has happened in my one of the student. So he booked exam, certification exam. He went to the center, he started giving the exam. And there he got shocked. What? Why? Because he thought he has booked solution architect, but he has booked developer certification. He has booked a developer certification. But you know, he wrote that with the knowledge that he has learned from the course, he wrote it and he has passed the exam with 80%. You see? Right? So that's the deeper level of topics that we'll be learning in this course. So mainly we'll concentrate on solution architect, and with this knowledge, you can pass the other two also. Okay, Nana? Is it clear? Is it clear on the certification? And also there are so many rest of the specialty certifications are there on AWS, like advanced networking, big data, security, machine learning. So if you are whoever is interested, they can go for it. So at least we will be going for the solution architect. Is that clear? Super. So now, are you ready then? So from tomorrow onwards, what we'll be doing is we'll be entering into the technical concepts. So today I gave you just the overall brief about this AWS. And because there are so many questions that students might have, you guys have. For that, now your basic questions got clear now, right? Why to learn, what to learn and all, which one will be learning everything. So from tomorrow, don't miss the class because I will be taking the classes from scratch. I said from basics. Let's not miss that basics. And that basics also is very important for experienced people. Whatever the basics that I will be teaching you will be also helpful for the experience, which also they don't know about those. So it is for same for everyone. Are you ready, Nana? So now, do you see? From tomorrow, what we'll do? There are so many clouds are available in the market. Which is the cloud that we will be squeezing it? AWS. So from tomorrow, let's take that cloud and then right? Let's squeeze this cloud until we learn. Ready? Right? And from tomorrow onwards, right? So, excellent. Are you ready from tomorrow? Louder. Online. Big yes. Everyone. Super. Excellent. So, the course duration is 55 to 60 days. Monday to Friday, Saturday sometimes. Saturday will also be there, depends. Okay. 70%. Cheban. Yes, sir. Amazing. Very good, Raju. What is the fee structure? Fee structure, you will get it everything from admin. Don't worry. Anything related to the technical topics, I'll be helping you. But don't worry. Just today is only day one. No, you see, no. Tomorrow, how you will once you test AWS, you will not live, right? అట్లుంటది మనతో. Yes. Questions online. What is the timings? Timing 6 to 7:30 every day. Yes, you can get it, Jayanta. You get it. 2012 passed out BPO. BPO experience, yes. If you are a technical, in BPO also there is something called technical support. So if you are into that, you can easily learn AWS and you can use that experience. What about DevOps? DevOps is a separate class, but the DevOps, see, this is AWS, pure AWS related things. DevOps is a separate classes for you, right? And also very good thing is, guys, those who have opted AWS, Linux is free for you in Nourish IT. So if you opted my course, you can parallelly learn Linux, which is free for you. Linux other trainer. Okay. So I have 23 years in mostly in application support and system. I am committing to develop my cloud and become one. Yes, first Jignesh. So first, yes, I understand. The thing is, I understand. But first, we'll be doing a lots of practicals here, and then we will talk. We'll talk because I cannot talk about that. What kind of project that you will be putting it? You need to put some project which is, guys. My course will be helpful to have. You will get at least 4 to 5 years of experience knowledge. You will get how much? 4 to 5 years of experience knowledge. That much deep we will be going it. And you don't even feel that pain. Aram se slowly, aram se funly we go. I don't have any knowledge in IT sector. No problem. No rushta. Okay. Just you will get everything here. Don't worry. Very good. Any other questions? How much is see DevOps is DevOps is a complete other chapter for you. So we are learning AWS here. So see, for DevOps you have a separate trainer. What are we learning here first? AWS. You need to learn AWS first, then go to DevOps. Okay. Yes, you can get the recording also. 100% Anil. It will help and it should require. It is very much required for you. Anil Arya. Yes, if you maintain that, Praveen, you can do it. Is any session time in the morning? At the moment, this is the only one. Lastly, is it okay for online? Should be there for, or should be there for practicals? So guys, practicals, everything I'll be sharing, I'll be showing you in front of you here only live practicals. And don't worry, guys, don't worry. Just trust me, okay? Trust me, we'll kick this. So I want to switch my career. So doing this course was waiting for your classes since many days. Thank you, Yasin. Yes, we are here together now. Very good. You can do Yuvraj. Praveen, yes, I said, first learn AWS and maintain that gap. Super. Okay. So guys, online, can you give me the final CC for today? CC with smile. That is the habit you should treat, right? You put CC with smile. Can you give me that? Guys, we will be talking about interview questions every day, technical questions, interview questions, and certification questions, whatnot, everything. But slowly, we'll do aram se, slowly we'll do it, okay? CC with smile, please. So CC with smile meaning you are happy, and that is the only takeaway. If I see you smile, I'll be happy, okay? Good. So great. So that is all, guys, for today, and I'll see you tomorrow with the next important class, which I'll be starting from basics. Don't miss the class. Please be on time. So that's all, guys, for today. And I'll see you tomorrow with the next topic. Until then, take care. Bye-bye. Have a nice day and see you tomorrow with the next important topic. Until then, take care. Good night. Bye-bye.